Let's go take a look at the grounds and the Texas State Capitol. Visitor center's down that way. Go look at the Capitol. Since we're in Texas Hill Country, it's very hilly here in Austin. The grounds go around on all four sides of the Capitol. You can stop that if you want to read that. Standing right in front of the state capitol, you can see how massive it is. There's a cannon over here. You'll find plenty of Texas Department of Public Safety patrol vehicles here, also called the Texas State Troopers. Nice BMW State Trooper bike there. Pretty sporty, huh? And here's some lovely state troopers here. Another look at downtown Austin. That's not all of it, just part of it. And this is, feel free to stop and read that if you like. And let's move on. Cuba, Spanish War veterans. And there's the statue, and it says Philippine Islands, Puerto Rico. This is actually the side we would be coming in, but as you can see, the structure here, it's massive all around on all sides. Let's see, this one says, I'm not sure if you can make it out. It says, to the fighting men of the 36th Infantry Division, dedicated and erected September 9, 1959. They have these directional signs everywhere, so you don't get lost on the ground since they're so large. And there's the Del Seaton Medical Center at the University of Texas, which will be my next video later on this afternoon. The Ten Commandments. You'll see the Texas Star on a lot of the buildings down here. Let's see if you can get in this way. I don't think you can. It must be the other side. Oh, what is this? Texas Peace Officers Memorial. Confederate Texas legislatures. Talking about when Texas seceded February 1st, 1861. The 8th legislature was in Austin. If you'd like to read the rest of that, you may. Here's a memorial for the disabled American veterans. Another squirrel. Very nice memorial to the Texas peace officers. And on the bottom it says service, dedication, honor, bravery. This is the Freedom Tree, with the vision of universal freedom for all mankind. This tree is dedicated to prisoners of war and missing in action from Texas, 1978. I'll look back at it from the other side over here. Now you can see the Freedom Tree there. Oh my goodness, look at this tree. There's a warning about the tree. It said, please help preserve this historic tree. Keep off. Oh my goodness. It's in the ground. It's actually dug itself into the ground. I bet the squirrels have a field day with this one. There's one over there. He looks guilty. Anyway, this is Capitol Greenhouses. Interesting, I did not know they had greenhouses here. You may read that if you like. Lots of squirrels on the Capitol grounds. This has a lot of writing on it. Hood's Texas Brigade, Army of Northern Virginia. So you can freeze it and read it if you like. And there is a soldier on the top there. So we made a complete circuit here. This is a very interesting lamp here. This talks about the Alamo, which I will be doing a video of sometime soon here. People sitting there with their dogs. God in Texas, victory or death. I shall never surrender or retreat. "1836, Heroes of the Alamo." And it says AD 1891, and it has a soldier on the top. And it's about that time to head inside. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the Texas State Capitol grounds. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.